I think I used too much.
Oh, Liam, that is a lot of bubbles.
Wow, so many bubbles.
The bread is literally cut into little star shapes, James. I think I accidentally took my son's lunch this morning.
Check out this sandwich. Whoa. That's huge.
Oh no, the rain! Sarah, hurry! Coming! I'm coming! It's over here. Breakfast is ready. Come sit down before you go.
I'm running late, Sarah. There is no time today.
There are 3 lunch boxes waiting for you on the counter.
Which one is mine, Sarah? I want to be sure.
The big one is yours. It has your coffee flask.
Got it. Don't worry, Sarah. I always know mine.
Please check the box carefully before you leave today.
I've packed my own bag for years now, Sarah.
Mom, is my lunchbox the medium-sized one today?
Yes, Liam. The medium box is yours this morning.
Morning. I'm so sleepy.
Sarah, I really need to leave for work now.
Fine, but please just check the label first, James.
Time for school, kids!
Yay! Thank you, Dad.
No problem, sweethearts. Love you both. Be good for Mom today, okay?
Wait, James, did you check the label on it?
Is this a joke? The bread is literally cut into little star shapes, James. I think I accidentally took my son's lunch this morning.
That explains the smiley face cookie you're eating there. I'm still hungry, so I'm eating it anyway, honestly.
Does Sarah pack lunches like this for you too? Only for the kids. Mine is usually much bigger. Well, today you're eating lunch like a 6-year-old. Honestly, it's really not the worst lunch I've had.
Wow, look at this. What's in your box, Liam?
Whoa, this is honestly a lot of food today. Liam, that's clearly a grown-up lunch, not yours at all.
I think my dad took my lunchbox by mistake. That would explain the giant coffee flask right there. Ugh, that coffee tastes really, really bitter to me. That's coffee, Liam. Definitely not juice made for kids. Hi, Mom. I'm at school. Just wondering if you could pick me up.
Careful, that coffee spilled all over your shirt, Liam. Sorry, I didn't realize it was coffee at all.
Check out this sandwich. Whoa. That's huge. This sandwich is honestly bigger than my whole lunchbox. Want to share it, since it's clearly way too big? Here, I'll break it for you. Thanks, Liam. It's huge.
Hello, Liam. Slow down, sweetheart. What happened over there?
Dad took my lunchbox, Mom, and gave me his instead.
Oh, sweetheart, that's okay. We'll sort it out. Don't worry.
Don't worry, honey. Just eat what you have for lunch. Okay, Mom, but this coffee is really, really bitter.
James, are you eating a tiny star-shaped sandwich? Because you took Liam's lunchbox by mistake this morning.
Oh no, all 3 boxes looked exactly the same today.
I told you clearly to check before you left home.
They were all sitting so close together on the counter.
You're unbelievable. Yes, okay. I'll see you then. Bye. Bye.
You are absolutely impossible sometimes, James. Truly impossible.
I'm sorry. I'll bring Liam a big snack tonight.
Hungry from your tiny star sandwich today, James?
It was surprisingly filling, actually. More than I expected.
Welcome home, champ.
How was your day, sweetie?
It was good, Mom. Next time, please check the box, like Mom said.
You're right, Liam. I definitely should have checked carefully.
I feel like we've waited for this for a long time. Yes. We have.
Each lunchbox is made specially just for that person.
You put so much love into these small little things.
It's not hard, James. It just takes a little care.
I will never skip checking my lunchbox again, I promise.
Thank you for everything you do for us, Sarah.
That's just what family does for each other, James.
I'm drawing a cool robot on my lunchbox today. I want to draw a pretty flower on my box.
I'll draw a simple tie, since I wear one.
I'll draw a heart. It's easy to remember.
There, now nobody can mix up our lunches again.
Unless you're still not looking carefully enough, Dad.
You're the best, son.
Look, my flower has 5 petals. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's absolutely perfect, Lily.
My robot has laser eyes. Is that okay, Dad?
A robot lunchbox sounds very exciting indeed, Liam.
Tomorrow morning, everyone checks their own label first, okay?
Agreed, no more surprise star sandwiches for me, ever.
Look at these.
Yours is just perfect, sweetie. I love mine.
We have the best lunches now.
How is the homework coming along, you two?
Almost done, Dad. I just have math left now.
Yeah.
I already finished my drawing for school today.
That's wonderful, Lily. I can't wait to see it.
All right, time for groceries. I'm heading to the market to buy some groceries.
Okay, drive safe. The sky looks a little gray today.
Goodbye, dear.
Have a good day. Liam, this math answer looks a little bit off.
Oh, wait, I forgot to carry the number there.
That rain really came out of nowhere just now.
Dad, the wind outside is really, really loud. Should we go close all the windows now, Dad?
Good idea, Liam. Let's go check them together quickly.
Keep going, Liam. Just a little further. Got it. Good job. Now, let's watch the storm.
Hello, Sarah? Please pick up. No answer.
Looks like this way is blocked too. I'll have to find another route. How much longer? It's too wet to go on. Oh, thank goodness. A shop. We can stop here. Oh no, the rain! Sarah, hurry! Coming! I'm coming! It's over here.
Oh my, you are completely soaked, my dear.
Thank you so much for letting me in.
This kind of storm comes every single year around now.
That's interesting. I really do like hearing your stories.
My cat Whiskers always hides under the bed during storms.
Smart cat. Honestly smarter than me today, I think.
You remind me so much of my daughter, always busy.
I just really want to get home safely tonight.
You will, dear. This storm surely won't last forever.
I know. I just hate making my family worry.
Come on, Sarah, please pick up. Why isn't she answering? Sarah, where are you?
Maybe Mom found a really nice restaurant somewhere, Dad. Maybe Mom is buying us a surprise cake today. You two always think about food, don't you?
Well, it would explain why she's taking so long. Your mom is honestly the strongest person I know.
I know, Dad. Mom never really gives up on us. Mom is like a superhero, but with grocery bags.
That's exactly right, Lily. Exactly right, my sweet girl. The rain looks like tiny silver ropes falling down.
That's a really beautiful way to see it, Lily. Oh my! Oh, it's just the rain.
Hopefully that old charger can give you a boost, dear.
Thank you, sir.
Just give it some time, it'll work.
Okay.
Hello, it's Sarah. Yes, this is Sarah. They're located? Oh, thank God, thank God. Are they okay? Is everyone okay? James, I'm okay. I am safe at a shop.
Sarah, are you okay? Where exactly are you right now?
I'm just glad that you are safe, Sarah, truly. I'll come home once the rain slows down a little. Take your time, just be careful driving home, please. I will, I love you. Tell the kids I'm safe. Finally, I made it back.
You look like a walking umbrella right now, Sarah.
Better a big raincoat than a completely soaked mom.
I needed help with that.
I've got you.
That storm is wild.
I really like your umbrella with the cute ducks, Mommy.
A kind shopkeeper gave me shelter and warm tea.
Mom, can we go visit that nice shopkeeper sometime?
I would love that. He was really so kind.
Together.
Finally home.
I'm so glad we're inside.
Me too, sweethearts. Let's never let anyone go grocery shopping completely alone again.
Deal. Next time we will all go together. Always.
Mom, can I please take a bath by myself tonight?
Sure, Liam. You're definitely old enough for that now. Just please don't make a really big mess, okay?
I won't, Mom. I promise. I really, really promise. I gotta go. Okay.
He's growing up so fast, isn't he, Sarah?
He really is, James. He really is growing fast.
Wow, look at all the bubbles. I love bubble baths. Wow. Oh, they're everywhere. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh no, what is happening? Liam, be careful. Oh no, the towel's not helping. What do I do now? Oh no! Dad, the whole hallway has turned into clouds!
Clouds? What in the world is she talking about?
Wow. What is this?
I think I used too much.
Oh, Liam, that is a lot of bubbles.
Wow, so many bubbles! I think I maybe used a little too much soap.
That might be the understatement of the entire year.
Liam, you honestly look just like a little snowman.
I really didn't mean for this to happen, sorry.
Wow, this is like snow! Look at all the bubbles!
I think you need a towel, champ.
Yeah, I think so too, laughs.
Let's go find one. I know you really wanted to do this alone.
I just wanted the best bubble bath ever, Dad.
But big things really need careful, gentle hands, too.
I understand, Dad. I'll be more careful next time. Yeah, maybe just a little bit less soap.
You're not in trouble, Liam. Not at all, buddy.
I thought you would be really mad at me.
Mistakes happen. That's simply how we all learn things.
You're covered in foam. I know. We love you, Bubbles and all, Liam. Always. I love you too, even though I'm really soggy.
All right, team, let's clean this whole mess up together.
I've got the walls, you get the floor, James.
I'm cleaning the tub. It's my mess, my job. Here's a towel, and here's another towel too.
There is soap in places I never even knew existed.
Same here, this mop is working overtime today.
I already gave everyone 3 whole towels each. Thank you, Lily. You're doing such a great job. Wow, it's finally sparkling.
Amazing job, everyone.
Looks perfect. I'm so proud.
Let's really not, James. Once is definitely enough.
Sorry again for the giant bubble mess, everyone here. It's okay, buddy. We cleaned it up together as one.
Lesson learned. A little soap goes a really long way.
I still think it looked exactly like fluffy white clouds. Maybe it did, Lily. Maybe it really did. Good night, honey.
Good night, love.
Best worst bath time ever, if that even makes sense. Can we do the clouds again tomorrow, please?
Not tonight, sweetie. We're all staying cozy right here.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah, it's nice.
Has your family ever mixed up something funny at home like this?
Leave a comment below. We would love to hear your story.